Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to scale a drawing. So as example, I will create a rectangle with dimension 50 and 50. The next you can use dimline command to create dimension linear. Like in it, if you want to scale this drawing twice, you can type scale, press enter, and then you can select the object, enter again, specify for base point, I will click in here, and then you can scale twice by tapping 2 and press enter. So the drawing will be scaled into twice. I will scale in half, you can tap again, scale, press enter, select the object, enter again. For base point, I will click in here. And for half, you can type 1/2 and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for a basic ZWCAD tutorial, how to scale a drawing. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.